Okay, join me. Let me teach you how to achieve party gele. This is ashoke. You divide the ashoke into two. You fold it into two. Then the measurement is 50-50. 50-50 means you divide it equal like this. That is the meaning of 50-50. Then you grab here, place it on your head. Let's go. Always cover your ear. This is quick party gele. Focus your eye on my hand. Okay, so right now you cross, 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 50-50. Make sure it's very firm. Okay, simple party Instagram gele. So the next, you grab one, twist, take it, twist it to the front side, focus, you see, and you see. Okay, let's leave this under the arm. You fold, twist, you twist, you twist, you twist, you twist. Now we are going to mesh the two twisting together. That is it. Then you raise your two hands at a time. Raise your two hands at a time like this. Don't raise one and leave one. Please try and do action. Two hands at a time. Whoa. Then you grab two of them together. Mesh two of them together. Okay. We know. Not. Make sure it's very firm. Okay. Now it's very firm. Okay. So the next thing, you grab, I just want you to focus your eye. Grab the edge like this. Then focus your eye. Then you will achieve something. Okay, so right now, this one, you put it under the twisting. Go under the twisting. Under the twisting. That's it. Okay. Okay, so let's do the other side. You grab the edge. You grab. Then underneath, goes underneath as well. Okay, so right now the next thing, you do your setup. Set it up. That is it. It's very easy. You can use this style. You can use it in any event. You are going to church. You want to go to that. You want to rock that party. Because sometimes maybe you are tired of the regular style. You see, that is it. Just try your best and set it up. Stand in front of the mirror. and do your setup. Style it to your satisfaction. Arrange it. That is it. It's very simple and unique. Very simple and unique. So the next on the list, you push this flower, push it back a little bit. Okay. Okay, so we are going to push everything back, okay, until you see your hair, the edge, your baby hair, the baby line, your baby. Okay, that is it. Done. Oh, what the government woman my yani more woman no ma. Why say we open worry man? What the government woman my yani more woman no ma. Eh, why say we open worry? Thank you. This is the final. See you on my next video. Bye.
Woo, sha, sha, sha. Everyone need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so obvious we got the space in our time. Yeah, that is why we got that beauty right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't give it that touch. Don't give it that. Don't give it that feeling. Don't make you feel lovely. Yeah, yeah.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. That beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
That beauty.